Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to use Looker Studio for beginners, the full step-by-step guide for 2026. If you're new to data visualization or want to turn raw data into clean, easy-to-read reports, Looker Studio is a great place to start. So yeah, let's jump in. First, open Looker Studio and sign in with your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create, then choose Report. This opens a blank canvas where you'll build your report. Don't worry, you don't need design experience to get started. Next, connect a data source. Looker Studio works with Google tools like Google Sheets, Google Analytics, and BigQuery, plus many third-party sources. For beginners, Google Sheets is the easiest. Select it, choose your spreadsheet, and click Add to Report. Your data is now connected and ready to use. Now let's add your first chart. Click Add a chart from the top menu and choose something simple, like a table or bar chart. Looker Studio automatically pulls in your data fields. On the right side, you can adjust dimensions, metrics, and sorting. Don't overthink this part. Just experiment and see how the chart updates in real time. You can customize the look of your report using the Style tab, change colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand or presentation style. Drag and resize charts to keep everything clean and readable. A simple layout works best, especially when you're just starting out. Filters are another powerful feature. You can add a date range control or filter by category so viewers can interact with the report. This makes your dashboard more useful without adding extra charts. Before sharing, click View to preview the report. Make sure the data looks right and everything loads properly. When you're ready, click Share and choose who can view or edit your report. So yeah, that's the beginner-friendly guide to using Looker Studio in 2026. Once you understand data sources, charts, and basic customization, you can build professional dashboards pretty quickly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and happy reporting with Looker Studio.